Does your sink drain slow and look just like this? Bathroom sinks are the worst for this for multiple reasons. But today we will show you how to fix the issue. Don't waste your time with chemicals and cleaners. They won't work anywhere near as well as this. We will get to the root cause of the issue. You'll need a means of unscrewing the nut. Channel locks are ideal, and we will have links to them in the description if you need them. You'll want a small container to put under the P-trap as water will spill out. Firstly, we need to unscrew the union nuts on the trap. This should be possible to loosen by hand. If not, use the channel locks. If you like our videos, please like, subscribe, and comment. We would love to get your feedback. Once the nuts are loose, gently move the trap back and forth and it will drop down, here where you'll need to catch that water. This is some of the reason your sink is draining so slowly. This same method can be used on any trap, not just a bathroom sink. The trap will still have water in it. Tip it into your container. Then if you have large debris like this, grab the loose parts and throw them out. Remove the trap adapter nut and washer. Set to the side and don't loose these. We will need them later. Now get your channel locks and loosen the nut. If this has been silicone on in the past, it may be tough to move. Be careful not to round off the nut or you'll end up having to cut it out and replace the drain. Once you have it loose, it's faster to unwind by hand. As before, set these nut, washer, and gasket to one side. Remember the order they came off, or even better, take a picture. It's surprising how fast you'll forget the order. You'll get a little water from here too. If this has also been silicone, you'll want to scrap all the silicone off prior to reassembly. If the gasket is good or you get a new one, then you should not need to re-silicone. Set the drain to one side. Clean out the inside of the sinkhole. Clean all this area well so it's sealed good when we come to reinstall. You'll need to give the drain itself a thorough clean with hot water in another sink. Do not use this one, haha, it's a common mistake even the pros make. Place the clean drain into the clean sink. Now reverse what we just did. Replace the rubber gasket, fiber washer, and nut. Please don't forget that all-important like, subscribe, and or comment. We would love to hear some feedback from our viewers. Let us know if there is anything we can post for you that we haven't so far. Once you've snugged it up by hand, it's time for the channel locks again. Do not over-tighten, you will misshape the washer or gasket, and even worse, crack the porcelain. Get the trap adapter nut and washer ready. Be careful with the washer. If they don't go on square, you risk gouging them with the end of the drain. They should slip over quite easy. Replace the cleaned out P-trap. Hand tighten the two union nuts. They should not need the channel locks to seal. But if they have been over tightened before, then you may have to resort to it, and if they will not seal, you'll have to replace them. There are multiple versions of these drains, but replace what you removed is essentially what you need to do. Some drains will have a little more work under the sink if you have the lever style to open and close your drain. Just take note, take pictures, take videos, whatever you need to do to ensure everything goes back correctly. Now run the tap and see how easily the water flows, but most importantly, check for leaks. We hope our video was helpful. If it was, please give us a like, it means a lot to us. Check out the description for related tools.